Welcome to our video about the incredible nature in the USA. From stunning national parks to diverse wildlife, the USA is home to some of the most beautiful and fascinating natural wonders in the world. Join us as we explore some of the highlights of nature in the USA. National parks. One of the most remarkable features of nature in the USA is its national parks. The USA has over 60 national parks, covering more than 84 million acres. Some of the most iconic national parks include Yellowstone, the Grand Canyon, Yosemite, and Zion. These parks are home to stunning natural wonders, such as towering mountains, cascading waterfalls, and vast canyons. They also offer opportunities for hiking, camping, and wildlife watching. Wildlife. The USA is home to a diverse range of wildlife, from grizzly bears and wolves to bald eagles and alligators. Yellowstone National Park, for example, is home to a wide range of animals, including bison, elk, and wolves. The Everglades in Florida is a unique ecosystem that is home to American crocodiles, manatees, and a variety of bird species. The USA's national parks and wildlife refuges are some of the best places to experience the country's incredible wildlife. Coastal scenery. The USA has some of the most stunning coastlines in the world. From the rocky cliffs of the Pacific Northwest to the sandy beaches of Florida, the country's coastline is incredibly diverse. The California coastline, for example, features rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and picturesque seaside towns. The Oregon coast is known for its dramatic rocky formations and stunning ocean views. And the Gulf Coast is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the country, with turquoise waters and sugar-white sand. Fall foliage. In the autumn, the leaves of trees in many parts of the USA turn stunning shades of red, orange, and yellow. The New England region is particularly famous for its fall foliage, with the changing leaves creating a beautiful patchwork of colors. Other areas of the country, such as the Great Smoky Mountains and the Adirondacks, also offer incredible fall foliage displays. Natural landmarks. The USA is also home to many iconic natural landmarks, such as the Grand Tetons, Monument Valley, and Niagara Falls. These incredible natural wonders are some of the most photographed and visited places in the country. The Grand Tetons in Wyoming, for example, are a majestic mountain range that rise above the valley floor. Monument Valley, on the other hand, is a unique desert landscape that has been featured in countless movies and TV shows. And Niagara Falls is a powerful waterfall that straddles the border between the USA and Canada. Conclusion. That concludes our tour of the incredible nature in the USA. From national parks to wildlife, coastal scenery, fall foliage, and natural landmarks, the USA is a treasure trove of natural wonders. We hope you enjoyed this journey and will visit some of these incredible places in person someday. Thank you for watching.